Audiophiliac viewer system of the day. Hey, I like this. This one comes from Philip. He is a family man, an engineer, and also a factory owner. When you walk into the living room, you might not notice that the ceiling actually has a huge bass dampener made of 5mm thick Lithuanian plywood, suspended and damped. It is very compliant and cancels frequencies from 57 Hertz down. And there's a lot of room treatment in this room. The rack is custom made to Philips specifications by Truss Die. Speakers are Quadril Titan Phonolog Arium. The integrated amp is a Prima Luna Evo 400 DAC Musical Fidelity Trivista for 2-channel. The CD player is a Line Magnetic 215. The DAC for movies is a Cambridge M DAC Plus projector. There's a projector in there, and it's an Epson 3. Cables are made by Audience in the USA, speaker and line cables. And the carpet is custom made, was custom made to Philips specifications, and it was made in Tibet. That is a serious system. Thank you, Philip.